Once, a rich man named Krishnakant who needed a helper very badly to help him on his farm, but every servant demanded exorbitant wage. One day, he came across a stranger who was in search of a work. Krishnakant asked him what was his demand as wage. The stranger replied, "Do not bother about the wage, just give me food, shelter, and clothes." Krishnakant was very happy and agreed instantly. But the man said, "Sir, there is only one condition, that I be allowed to play one mischief every year." Krishnakant thought that it would be impossible to get a cheap servant like him. He did not want to lose the man, he did not care about the mischief, so he employed him. The man worked very hard, the farm prospered, and Krishnakant began to thrive. He was a rich man now. He was so happy and contented with his new servant that he almost forgot about the mischief. 5 or 6 months passed by smoothly. One day the helper thought that the time to play his mischief had come. It so happened that Krishnakant's brother-in-law and his wife's sister came to stay with them. The helper decided to play mischief. One day, when Krishnakant had gone out of the house for some work, he approached Krishnakant's wife and said, "Madam, your husband is ill and may not live for long. There is no cure for his illness. If you do not believe me, you can better check it yourself. You lick his back when he takes his bath in the evening. You will find the taste salty." Then he went to Krishnakant and said, "Sir, your wife seems to be losing her mind. Beware of her." Then he went to Krishnakant's brother-in-law and said, "Your brother-in-law seems to be angry with his wife. I think he will give her a sound thrashing this evening. You must stay close by." Saying so, the helper disappeared quietly. When Krishnakant returned from the farm that evening, he asked his wife to prepare water for his bath. When her husband took off his shirt, she thought to test what the servant had said. So she went to him quietly and licked his back. Krishnakant jumped up crying, "Oh, she is really insane. She wants to bite me." And taking a stick in hand, he charged at her. Now the brother-in-law had been already informed that his sister-in-law would be attacked by her husband, so he was already there, prepared for the situation. He pounced upon Krishnakant, yet with another stick in his hand. A fierce fighting ensued. On hearing the noise, the neighbors gathered and stopped the two from fighting. When all three of them were questioned, it became clear that it was all because of the mischief of the servant. But when they searched the servant, he had already vanished by them.